Good morning, students. Welcome to maths class. Students, today we'll see types of fraction and then we will do exercise 5a. So, as I told you earlier, also proper fractions are those fractions in which numerator of a fraction is less than the denominator. It means जो numerator है वो छोटा होगा और denominator बड़ा होगा. Like 2/3, 1/3, 9/19. You can say 6/12, ठीक है, और 4/8 और 4/9. Any fraction in which numerator is less and denominator is big. Okay, so improper fraction when the numerator of the fraction is greater and the denominator is lesser. Opposite of proper fraction in which numerator you will see greater than denominator. Okay, so students, mind it, value of improper fraction is always greater than 1. Okay, and the value of proper fraction is always less than 1. Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and proper fraction in which you will see proper whole number along with the proper fraction. This is what mixed fraction. Now we'll talk about like fraction as a name. Like fractions are those fractions having the same denominators. When you will see some fractions and if they all have the same denominator, it means we are talking about like fraction. We are talking about like fraction. What are unlike fraction? Students, like a name only, unlike fractions are those fractions having different denominators. They are called unlike fraction, like 1/3, 2/5, 5/6 are all unlike fraction, in which you will see all the denominators are different. These are your unlike fraction. Now students, we will do exercise 5a. So the very first question of 5a is, for each diagram, the number of equal parts, the fraction shaded, the number of shaded part, the fraction unshaded. Means the diagrams are given. You have to tell that number of equal parts in which that diagram is divided. So if we will take the very first one, square one. So you will see how many parts are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of equal parts will be 4. Then the second one, number of shaded parts. So here you will see only one shaded part. So number of shaded part will be 1. The fraction of shaded. So you have to write down the fraction of shaded part. So how you will write? So number of shaded part upon total number of parts. तो number of shaded part कितनी है 1 upon total number of parts कितने हैं 1 2 3 4. तो 1/4 will be your answer. Got it? Now your fourth, the fraction unshaded. So you will see only one part is shaded and the left 3 parts are unshaded. So 3/4. Again the same thing, number of unshaded part upon total number of parts. This formula we will apply for doing the question based on it. We will take one more diagram. Here you will see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. The number of equal parts, how many parts? 12. Number of shaded parts will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total 6 parts are shaded. So what will be the fraction of that shaded part? Total number of shaded part upon number of equal parts. तो total number of shaded parts कितने थे हमारे 6 और equal parts कितने हैं हमारे 12. So answer will be 6/12. Now number of unshaded part. तो unshaded कितने बचे 1 2 3 4 5 6. Unshaded भी 6 हैं तो 6 by total number of parts equal parts तो वो भी 12. तो 6/12. Like this, if you will see, all in this circle we have divided 8 equal parts. This circle into 8 equal parts. तो total parts कितने हो गए 8. Shaded parts कितने हैं 8. तो fraction of shaded part कितना हुआ 8/8 और unshaded part कितना हुआ, एक भी unshaded part नहीं है तो 0/8. Like this you will do the question. Student, your second question is, draw a square with side 4 cm, divide it into 6 equal part and shade 9/16 of it. ये मैंने आपका square, I have drawn square for you. Total number of parts 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Now you have to draw 9 equal parts. 9 parts you have to shade. So I did the same for you. So this will be your diagram. Okay. Now the next question is, the L-shaped is divided into 4 parts. Why is the shaded square not equal to 1 by 4? So you will see the diagram. In this, why the shaded part is not equal? Because diagram is not divided into equal parts. So this will not be the, that is why this is not divided into equal parts. Clear, students? So what will be the answer? Because the shape is not divided into equal parts. Now write the fraction for each of the following. These are very easy one. So the like 5/8. So students, 5, so numerator will be 5. Now if you will see 8, normal 8 you will not write, you will write THS along with that. Whenever it's a decimal case, means denominator का case होगा तो THS आएगा ही. So 5/8. तो 5 upon में 8. This will be your numerator, this will be your denominator. Like 3/5. So 3 will be same numerator and 5 वो डिनोमिनेटर. जिसमें भी THS जल जाता है वो डिनोमिनेटर में ही आएगा. ठीक है. नाउ यू हैव टू, 5th क्वेश्चन में यू हैव टू टेल द न्यूमरेटर एंड द डिनोमिनेटर. तो अपर पार्ट क्या होता है? न्यूमरेटर. और बॉटम पार्ट क्या होता है? डिनोमिनेटर. ठीक है. तो यू कैन डू इट ईजली. 5/16 में न्यूमरेटर 9 एंड 5 होगा और 16 डिनोमिनेटर होगा. ओके. नाउ योर 6th क्वेश्चन इज राइट अ फ्रैक्शन whose numerator is 7 and denominator is 12. As I told you, fraction is divided into 2 parts, top part and bottom part. Top part numerator and the bottom part is denominator. So 7 upon 12 will be your answer. Like this you will do 7/12. The second one is numerator is 12 and denominator is 19, so 12/19. These are very easy one. Now the 7th question, name the fractional number for each of the following. You have to tell the fractional number. Okay. So as I told you, 3/4. तो 3 will be like this and 4 के साथ we will use THS. Okay, तो 3/4. Now 5/7. तो 5/7 THS. For denominator, students minded THS you will add. Okay, your 8th question. Your 8th question is how much is 15 minutes of an hour? वो बोल रहे हैं how much is 15 minutes of an hour. तो 15 upon आवर में हाउ मेनी मिनट्स आर देयर? 60 मिनट्स होते हैं. तो ये 15/60 का रेशियो बना हमारा. अब इसको वी विल रिड्यूस. तो 15 4 ज़ा 60. तो 1/4 का फॉर्म आ गई. सेकेंड इज 12 आवर्स ऑफ अ डे. 12 आवर्स ऑफ अ डे मतलब 12 आवर्स और 24 टोटल आवर्स होते हैं. तो 12/24 रिड्यूस किया तो 1/2. लाइक दिस यू विल डू द अदर क्वेश्चन. लाइक द 6th वन, C1. 1/2 of 36. 1/2 of 36. स्टूडेंट जो 1/2 ऑफ है ना, ऑफ का मीन होता है मल्टीप्लाई. तो 1/2 ऑफ की जगह हमने किसका साइन रखा? मल्टीप्लाई का. तो 1/2 ऑफ 36. नाउ 36/2 बना. इसको रिड्यूस किया तो यू विल गेट द आंसर 18. ओके. नाउ योर 9th क्वेश्चन. Sudhir has 45 balls. He gives 5/9 of them to his sister. How many balls did his sister receive? How many are left with Sudhir? वो बोल रहे हैं सुधीर के पास कुछ बॉल्स हैं. कितनी बॉल्स है? तो नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स कितनी है सुधीर के पास? 45. ओके. नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स गिवन टू हिज सिस्टर, उसका फ्रैक्शन दिया है 5/9. तो 5/9 किसका होगा? टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स जो की थी 5/9 ऑफ 45 हमने लिख लिया. ऑफ का मतलब एज आई टोल्ड यू मल्टीप्लाई होता है. ओके. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट. तो 5/9 इंटू 45 रिड्यूस करेंगे तो हाउ मेनी बॉल्स सुधीर हैज़ गिवन टू हिज सिस्टर? 25 बॉल्स. तो नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स गिवन टू हिज सिस्टर कितनी हुई? 25 बॉल्स. सो नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स लेफ्ट विथ सुधीर कितनी बची? नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स लेफ्ट विथ सुधीर 20. कितनी सुधीर के पास बची? टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स कितनी थी? 45. सिस्टर को कितनी थी? 25. तो हाउ मेनी लेफ्ट? 20 लेफ्ट. गॉट इट. सो लाइक दिस यू विल डू. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.